Hey guys, Josh from TJ's here. We're going to do our first box break of 2021 Bowman Baseball. I finally found these on Target's website for retail price, so I got 3 boxes. And we're going to rip the first one right now. Hopefully we get a Blaze Jordan. I'm a big Red Sox fan, so it'd be really cool to pull him. Looking for him, Austin Martin. Pretty much anybody, not too picky. Just want to have some fun, open some cards. So here we go. Let's see what the configuration is. How many cards are in a box? There's 5 packs plus 1 extra pack, 12 cards in the pack. That's 72 cards in the box. Not bad for, I think I paid 25 bucks a box on Target's website, so not too bad. So really hoping to pull a Blaze Jordan. I don't really have any cards of him. So we're going to see what we get. Here we go, pack number 1. Okay, we have Jose Garcia, Andres Jimenez, rookie. Ooh, Dylan Carlson, rookie. Nice. We'll leave that one out. Miguel Cabrera, base. Max Kepler, base. Gleyber Torres, base. And who do we have here? Hunter Bishop, Bowman Scouts, top 100. Nice little insert. And we have a Riley Green, Bowman Chrome, and a Jackson Kowar Chrome. Dylan Dingler. A first Bowman of Christopher Morel. And Antonio Gomez, first Bowman. Nice. Good. Not a bad first pack at all. Here we go. Pack number 2. Okay. We have Blake Snell, base. Yu Darvish, base. Tariq Skubal, rookie. Clark Schmidt, rookie. Tristan McKenzie, rookie. Nice. Ian Anderson, rookie. Got the local kid. And Alec Bohm, throwback Chrome, rookie. Jose Tena, first Bowman Chrome. Oh, Dominguez. There we go. Jason Dominguez, Yankees. Jason Rosario, Grayson Rodriguez, and Alex Manoah. Okay, we'll sleeve the Dominguez quick. And the Bohm. Nice little Bowman Chrome, Jason Dominguez. Alec Bohm, really cool. Leave that one. So that was a really good second pack for sure. Put that up there for now. Adjust that a little bit. There we go. And put the Dominguez in the top loader. Really good start so far, guys. Very excited. Those pulls. Oh, put that over there. There we go. All right, here we go. Pack number 3. Okay, we have a Nick Madrigal, rookie. Garrett Crochet, rookie. Jose Altuve, base. Pete Alonso, base. Machado, base. Luis Garcia, rookie for the Nats, and a talent pipeline, and it is the Cardinals. Nolan Gorman, Eleanoris Montero, Connor Capel. All right, nice little insert there. Nick Lofton, Bowman Chrome, and a Kevin Alcantara, first Bowman Chrome. Nice. Colton Welker, Tyler Callahan, and Josiah Gray. Put those over there. Leave this one quick. So where's all the Yankee fans at? Got the Kevin Alcantara rookie. First Bowman Chrome. Just leave that one quick. Okay. We want to see a Blaze Jordan one of those because we're Red Sox fans. So let's see. Put that one up here. There's the 3 good ones so far. Really good ones. All right. Next pack. There's 2 packs left after this. We have Whit Merrifield. Oh, Joe Adele rookie. Nice little hit right there. And Brian Hayes, back-to-back. Spencer Howard. Here we go. We're on a roll. Kettle Marte base. Joey Votto. And a Jordan Groshans. Bowman Scout top 100. And a Spencer Torkelson Bowman Chrome. Nice one right there. Yusniel Diaz. Dax Fulton. Bo Naylor. And Brennan Davis. Nice little pack right there. Next pack. Got 2 packs left. There we go. Okay. We have Sixto Sanchez, rookie. Yordan Alvarez. Jacob deGrom, Mike Clevenger, Matt Chapman, Javi Baez, and a Max Meyer Futurist insert. Those are really cool looking inserts. Miguel Amaya, Chrome. Forrest Whitley, Chrome. Mick Abel, first Bowman. Nice. Francisco Alvarez and Jordan Walker. Okay, last pack. Here we go. Blaze Jordan. Come on. Or Austin Martin. We have Keston Hiura, Buster Posey, Garrett Cole, Austin Meadows, Chris Bubik, rookie for the Royals, Tyler Stevenson, rookie, and Rookie of the Year favorites, rookie Chrome, Brian Hayes. Nice. Cody Host, Vidal Brujan, Ed Howard, Logan Davidson, and, oh, Tristan Cassis. Nice little Red Sox right there. Okay. So definitely not a bad box at all. We got the Alec Bohm throwback Chrome rookie card. Kevin Alcantara. First Bowman Chrome. We got the Jason Dominguez Chrome. We had Spencer Torkelson Chrome. Some decent ones, the Brian Hayes right here. Nice little hit. So definitely not a bad first box, and we're going to open up another one. Well, we have 2 more, actually. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.